war temporary. Load me gun them momentarily. Country boy I go bury. Enemies necessary. Well war from January. Not no more now go merry. A war log in your territory. And I go all out. Me and them fall out. Platinum 45 clear them all out. Boom the wall out. Me name them no call out. Gun up in the mouth and me hear them a ball out.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? The Ministry of Health has denied pulling a safe sex ad that was done by Conscience for local television. Rumors had begun circulating that the ad was pulled from TV because of his recent video called Clap That, which features Left Side.
Well, for me little bit, I been a hustler, all scraper, all paper chaser, left chatting bill later, no time waster. Me no be rise to the top like a vapor, no boy never touch me for money, me never yet been. No follow people me ever said. When you see the sexy body girl, them we never left them. If you no like me, me no like you. Me no big friend, I summit and I summit and I summit and do me one thing and me no follow back. A man a chew me chat my own apart. That's why me boss in the bombo class. Alright then.
What the deal? Popcorn has revealed a new t-shirt line that is both for male and females. It is to be available in stores in mid-November at locations in Kingston, Montego Bay, and Ochi Rias.
When my party, you know all back, tell a one back, if you dry shop, lick a pile up, and the weed stash, plus the Bible, we know all that. I know my job, no bumbo glass, yeah, me home, I know me can't go find my phone. I'm great, I bust up in the air, you need to call someone. Right now my job, no bumbo glass, yeah, me home, I know me can't go find my phone. Yeah, shake your breast and no care if I see me cool.
What the deal? Chino has shut down speculations that he popped the big question to his girlfriend Yendi Phillips. The rumor started after a very pregnant Yendi was spotted wearing a ring on her wedding finger.
No care me name, no spread no rumor, show me enough respect. No to me living and the ghetto, show me enough respect. No care me name, no spread no rumor, show me enough respect. No to me living and the ghetto, show me enough respect. Because this is a fact, me have to confess to all of the woman man for due respect. Not to be dressed up in the latest that we look fanciness. When we come out on the street, the man them say we look fresh, and every jack man at them we impress.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel has reached out to Tommy Lee urging him to not clash with Bounty Killer. Is it true? Who knows?
Pussy juice belly bounty. Use your mouth to take off girl panty. The girl them say you must smell a condom. How you make every girl tongue long down. You can't kiss no man round a Sparta. Every man pan is Sparta a demon. We will shoot you in front people. Make your goat head open like a man. What make your bad mind me look a fuck mode. Your friend run blood talk say you name fuck. And you no name ground guard, you a tongue guard. Two sting a pull card and a iPod. You a elder, me never want this you. But the world don't know you this us. Boy, you come and pull body allegation. Remember you do a video with a naked man.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music, news, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
And you should for locking up through all of them. See, come again. So to all of them, we go to Japan. Well, what kind of money them spend?